Finish is a product that can help protect floors and enhance facility appearance, but it won't do either if it is not applied properly. There are several environmental and user factors that will affect the quality of a finish coat, including time, temperature and humidity, airflow, equipment, and application. It's important to follow the guidelines on your finish label for drying times and application frequency. Coats that are applied too quickly cause floor finish to appear hazy, which is a symptom of the finish not curing properly. Most Greer manufactured finishes recommend a 45-minute drying time, with no more than 3 coats applied in a 24-hour period. You can check to see if the floor is ready for an additional finish application by running your hand across the surface. If the floor feels tacky or there is a dragging feeling, the floor has not finished drying. Check the floor in several areas, including at entryways where drying time may be prolonged. If you're in doubt, give it more time. When it's hot and humid, you automatically need to plan for longer drying times. Coats can take as much as twice the normal drying time to cure in temperatures or humidities that are not ideal. If the temperature is very low, the finish may not cure properly, causing the coat to crack or powder. This commonly happens in winter near doorways or in areas next to refrigerator or freezer units. The minimum temperature for lying down Greer finish is 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideally, you should be applying finish at as close to room temperature as possible. Airflow is important for helping floor finish to dry, but it has to be done properly to prevent issues. Fresh air should be allowed to enter the room, while old air needs to be moved out. You can do this by opening a window and allowing stale air to leave through an exit. If you're using fans to assist in air movement, don't point them directly into the coating, which will cause the floor to dry unevenly. Rather, use the fan at the exit to pull air out of the room, or point the fan up to circulate the air. If you're trying to lay down a clean finish, you must work with the right equipment, and that equipment needs to be clean. Prevent soil from contaminating your finish by washing out your wringer and lining your bucket with a garbage bag. Lay down your coats with a clean mop designed for finishing. Finish mops contain man-made materials rather than cotton, which is prone to linting. Laying down the finish with a microfiber mop works great because it minimizes the amount of equipment touching the finish, and it spreads the finish evenly. The technique with which floor finish is applied has a profound effect on coat quality. There are a few common mistakes concerning the application of finish. The first is coat thickness. Laying down a coat too thin causes streaks, poor gloss, haziness, and makes the finish unlevel. Whereas coats that are laid down too thick have longer drying times and may also show streaks in the finish. The proper preparation of the floor surface is important for coat quality. If you are completely stripping your floor, old finish left on the floor will have an effect on the adhesion of the new coat. Also, if stripping residue is left on the floor, it can cause low gloss, haziness, and streaking. Taking time at the onset to prep the surface correctly will prevent more costly mistakes down the road in terms of both money and time. Last but not least, make sure you're wearing clean clothing and footwear to reduce the risk of contaminating the finish. For a quick reference guide on floor finish application and troubleshooting, visit our website, wegreer.com, and click on Training and Resources, Training. You will find the link under Quick Tips. For complete information on floor care, contact us to receive one of our floor care training guides. Happy cleaning!